Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Design Hut. Today's topic is iconic logo design. So let's start and make a logo. So first of all, I will edit this template. Then I will go to the main function. What is logo design? The iconic logo design. So let's start. First of all, I'll make here iconic logo. Then I will make it on the middle. Then I will go for it and I will change this color. I'll make it black today. So, and I will make its color change. What will be the red today? Red, and this one, should be the black. Uh, this one should be the black, and it's black now. Now I will make it red here. I'll make it red here, then I'll make it also red. Now you can see how it look like. I think it's look pretty good. Now I will go for the saving. Now here you can see I will save it here. Then I will go for the export. I'll export as a PNG format. So let's make a PNG format. So export it as PNG. Okay. Then replace it with the first. Now I will go for the main function. Uh, what is iconic logo design? So make a new template. Every logo design you have to take 10 into 10 inch. So make it 10 into 10 inch. Yes, I got my artboard, and now I will go for the logo. Uh, every iconic logo you can take pen tool. So I take a pen tool here. You can see I take a pen tool here. You can see here I take a pen tool, and now I will flip it. I will make it 90 degree, and then I will make it this. Yeah, yes, I got it. Here you can see, and I will copy of it. Make copy of it. Yeah, got a copy. Then you can see here. I will make it as one and one another, and I will change its color. I will change this color as gradient. This gradient, sorry. Here is template and gradient. It should be the which color will be the perfect here. I will take hair blue, and this one should be the lower blue. And how it look like now? See. Now I will decrease stroke. This one I will make it 0. Make it 0. And now how it look like? I think it's look pretty good. And you can make here something. This is the one iconic logo, and I will make it more here. Just wait and see how I make it here. Sorry, here. Here I will make a triangle. I make a triangle and I will give color of it, which is sorry, here is a problem. Sorry, make it black. Wow, now you can see I just make it black, and then I will I'll make a copy of it. Sorry, I will give a shape, give a shape here. Give a shape here. You can see. Sorry, I made some mistake. Yes, I make this happen and this now. Okay, you can see here how I did. Now I will go for it. I will go for it and cut some portion with the shape builder tools. Sorry, I'll cut this portion. This sorry. I will I will enlarge it, and now I'll cut this portion and this portion. Now see how it look like. You can see here. Sorry, I will decrease it. Make now we can see how it look like. I think it's look pretty good, and you can now will go for the hands. Go for the hands. What is this and this? Yes, you can see here. This is also a logo. What is a icon? What is the icon? If you small it here, then you will get it. It's also a icon. Then I will go for the next. Mm, Now I will go for the rectangular tool. Here you can see I made a rectangular tool, and I give it its color. What is sorry? What is green here? Now I will make it here. Which color will be the perfect, and I will cut it down on this portion. Here you can see I take a sorry I take a star here. Star here. Now I will cut this portion. How it look like? Okay. Now see, I will cut this portion with the shape builder tools. Uh, Here you can see I I will make it stop 0, make it stop null. and how it look like. I think it's look pretty good, and you can see, yeah, this is also a symbol. And then I will show you the more things. I'll show you the more things on the next class, and today's class at the end I will show you the more things on the next class. And till then, Allah Hafiz. Thank you all. Be with us and subscribe our channel. Thank you.